In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets and quickly find repeated data in your spreadsheet. Let's start by opening the Google Sheet where you want to find duplicates. Make sure the sheet is fully loaded and that you can clearly see the column or range of cells you want to check. It helps to zoom in a bit if your data is small or tightly packed. Take a moment to confirm which column contains the information you want to scan for duplicates, such as names, email addresses, or IDs. Next, click and drag to select the range of cells you want to check. You can select a single column, multiple columns, or even an entire table. If you want to apply this to the whole column, you can click the column letter at the top instead of dragging. Being precise here matters, because Google Sheets will only look for duplicates within the range you highlight. With your range selected, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen where we'll set up the rule to highlight duplicates. In the Conditional Formatting panel, make sure the Apply to Range field correctly matches the cells you selected. Adjust it if necessary. Then look for the section that says Format Cells If. Open that drop-down and select Custom Formula Is. This option lets us tell Google Sheets exactly how to detect duplicates. In the formula box, you'll enter a formula that checks whether a value appears more than once in your selected range. For example, if your data starts in cell A2 and goes down column A, you would use a formula that compares each cell to the whole column and tests if it occurs multiple times. The key idea is that the formula should return true when a value is repeated, and only then will the formatting be applied. After entering your custom formula, choose how you want the duplicates to be highlighted. You can change the fill color, text color, or style. A bright background color usually works best because it makes duplicates stand out immediately. As you adjust the style, you should see a live preview directly in your sheet, with duplicates lighting up according to your chosen format. Once everything looks right, click Done in the Conditional Formatting panel. Your rule is now active. Any current duplicates in the selected range are highlighted, and any new duplicates you add in the future will automatically be highlighted as well. If you ever want to change the rule, just reopen the Conditional Formatting menu. Edit the range, the formula, or the colors, and your sheet will update instantly.